Jai Gurudev children, how are you all? Did you all celebrate Ganesha and Gauri festival? Did you all pray to God to give you knowledge? That's good. Now we shall begin with our classes, regular classes. So what were we doing in our previous videos? Do you remember? Pronouns. Right. Now we shall continue doing the exercise in our grammar book. So what is a pronoun? So, what are pronouns? Words that are used in place of naming words are called pronouns. Example, he, she, I, you, it. Children, now take out your grammar book and open page number 17, chapter number 5. Let us complete the exercise in this book. Okay? Now we shall do the exercise on page number 18. Aiming, circle the pronouns in these sentences. One has been done for you. First one, I enjoy talking to your friend. Here we need to circle pronoun. Which is the pronoun over here, children? I. They have already circled I. Now let us complete the remaining. Second one, he plays basketball daily. Now here, which is the pronoun? He plays basketball daily. He, exactly. Circle the word he. Third one, she bought a lovely dress yesterday. I'm reading it again. She bought a lovely dress yesterday. She, that means girl. Yes, she is the pronoun. Let us circle it. You are naughty. Now who is naughty? You. So circle the word you. You is the pronoun over here. She is going to Agra next week. Who is going to Agra next week? She. Yes. So she is the pronoun. Circle it. Children, you can do it all by yourself. Otherwise, you can do along with me. Okay? If you are able to do yourself, please pause the video, complete it, then check for the answers. Sixth one, I need to hurry up. Who needs to hurry up? I. So circle the word I. Seventh one, he is going to watch a film. Who is going to watch the film? He. That means it must be a boy. So let us circle it. The dog looks angry. It is barking. Now, in this sentence, which is the pronoun? Who is barking? Dog. We have got the answer. But they have used the pronoun. The dog looks angry. It is barking. So, it is the pronoun. Understood, children? Good. Now, let us move on to be mean. Be mean. Fill in the blanks with I, you, he or it. One has been done for you. Look at my new school bag. It has many pockets. Now, who has many pockets? The school bag. And the noun school bag is replaced by a word it, which is a pronoun. Understood, children? The same way we have to complete the exercise. Second one, Lata was excited. Dash quickly opened her birthday gifts. Now Lata is a girl. What is the pronoun that we have to use for a girl? She. So let us write she. Yes. Next. This is my pet cat. Dash loves chasing rats. Now who loves chasing rats? Cat. Cat is a noun. So we should replace with the pronoun it. Correct. Write down it. My name is Kiran. Dash studying in class 1. Who is studying in class 1? Kiran. Kiran is the noun. So what is the pronoun? My name is Kiran. Now, should you write he studies in class 1 or I study in class 1? I, correct. That is because you are talking about yourself. That is, Kiran is talking about himself. Next, Anil is cleaning the kitchen. Dash keeps his house clean. Oh, Anil is a good boy. He's helping his mother in keeping the kitchen clean. So what is the pronoun used for Anil? He. Good. Write down. Hi Kamal. Dash look really nice today. So you're talking to your friend Kamal. So when you have to appreciate him, what do you say? Hi Kamal, he looks very nice today. Do we say so? No, what is the pronoun used here? You. Exactly. You should say, Hi Kamal, you look really nice today. That's good, children. Now turn to page number 19. See mean. Look at the pictures and rewrite the sentences correctly. One has been done for you. First one. This is Supriya. He is a dancer. Is it correct, children? The pronoun he is used for Supriya. Supriya is a girl. Yes, we should not use the pronoun he. Instead, we should use she for girl. So, rewrite the sentence as this is Supriya. She is a dancer. Okay, you got to know what to do. The same way, let us continue doing the other exercises. First one, second one, this is a rabbit. You have a short tail. Sorry, you has a short tail. Is it correct? No. Rabbit. For rabbit, what is the pronoun we use for animals? It. Yes. We shall write it as this is a rabbit. It has a short tail. Instead of you as a pronoun, we shall write it has a short tail. Now the sentence makes sense. Third one. This is Peter. It is my cousin. Oh, how can we say it? It is generally used for animals or things. So we can't say it to human beings, right? So what should we write? What can you see in the picture? There are two boys. This is Peter and Peter is a boy. And we should use the pronoun he. Correct. We'll write it as this is Peter. He is my cousin. Next one. I love my grandma. He is very kind. Again, they have made a mistake. We should not use the pronoun he for grandma. What should we use? She. Correct. So what should we write here? I love my grandma. She is very kind. Children, you can pause the video, complete it and then go ahead. You need not rush. Please see that your handwriting is very good. And also check for the capital letters and full stop. Don't be in a rush. Okay? Fifth one. This is Ashok. It plays football every day. Oh, they have used the pronoun it. Should we replace Ashok with it? No, right? And what is the correct answer? He. Yes, this is Ashok. He plays with football every day. Sixth one. This is my pet dog. You is friendly. Does it sound good? You is friendly? No, right? That means the usage of pronoun is wrong over here. So you need to write, this is my pet dog. It is friendly. Next, seventh one. This is Yusuf. She is wearing woolen clothes. Yusuf is a boy. How can they use she? That's wrong. What should we use, children? Come, let us correct them. He, correct. Write down. This is Yusuf. He is wearing woolen clothes. Children, when do we wear woolen clothes? Yes, during winter. Woolen clothes keep our body warm. That's correct. You are very good. Eighth one. This is my school. He has big classrooms. Oh my God, they have made the school as human being, replacing it by he. That's wrong. School is a thing. So what should we write? This is my school. It has big classrooms. That's it. Now turn to page number 20, chapter 6. We, you, they. In this page, let us do the exercise A main. Okay, children? Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns from the brackets. One has been done for you. My sister and I love reading. Dash are reading a storybook now. So what is the pronoun used? Should we use we or you? We. They have already given the answer. Now let us solve the second one. Dipanshu and Varun are brothers. Dash are twins. You are twins or they are twins? Read the sentence again. Dipanshu and Varun are brothers. They are twins. Correct. Third one. Bears and panthers live in the jungle. Dash are wild animals. The options are they and we. We are wild animals. Is that correct? Are we bears and panthers? No, right? So what should we use? They. So write down the word they. They is the pronoun. Second, fourth one. Kirti and I love playing board games. Dash are playing snakes and ladders now. Children, observe the sentence carefully. Here the word I is there. That means Kirti and I. So whenever you get a sentence with I along with other names, you need to write we as the pronoun. Write down we. Reena and Kusum, come and have lunch. Both of you must be hungry. So I'll read the question again. Here their mom is calling them. Reena and Kusum, come and have lunch. Both must be hungry. Should we write we both must be hungry or you both must be hungry? You both. Because their mom is calling them that you both must be hungry. Please come down and have the lunch. Sixth one. Sabah, Ria and Lisa go to school by car. Dash are classmates. Should we write you or they? They. Correct. Tanya and Rahul. Okay, again. Tanya and Rahul, stop watching TV. Both of Dash need to do your homework now. Again, here Mama is calling Tanya and Rahul. She is telling Tanya and Rahul, stop watching TV, children. Both of Dash need to do homework. So both of we or both of you? Both of you. Yes. We should not watch TV before completing our homework. But here Tanya and Rahul are watching TV instead of completing the homework. Isn't it, children? I know my children don't do that. They always complete their homework, study, and then go to play. And later on, if they still have time, that time they'll watch the TV. So we will write both of you. Sohel and I reached school early yesterday. Dash revised our English homework. Children, again remember I've told whenever we have the word I along with other names, we have to use the pronoun we. So, we'll write we revised our English homework. Got it? B main, fill in the blanks with we, you or they. One has been done for you. First one, Mohan and his father are packing a tent. Dash are going camping. Here the pronoun used is they. They are going camping. Now second one. There is a playground near our house. Dash go there to play every evening. So what should we write here? Listen to sentence again. There is a playground near our house. Dash go there to play every evening. Who goes? We. Correct. Write down. We go there to play every evening. Gopal and Anu wanted to watch a cartoon show. Their mother said, both of Dash need to finish your lunch first. So both of you. Children, here Gopal and Anu want to watch the cartoon. But they have to finish their lunch first, right? That is what their mother is telling. Fourth one, Uma and I are playing. Dash are playing chess. What? Remember the I rule? I told you, whenever we have the word I along with the other name, we have to write we. So, Uma and I are playing. We are playing chess. Vipul's parents and doctors. Vipul parents are doctors. Dash work in a hospital. Who works? What is the pronoun used? They. Correct. Lakshya and I have practiced hard for the match. Lakshya and I. Again the I rule. Whenever there is a word I along with the other name, we should use the pronoun we. Correct. These two buildings are libraries. Dash have lot of books for children. These two buildings are libraries. They have lot of books for children. Reading books are very good, children. Books are our best friend. Books are our best friend. So we should keep them always with us and keep reading. Okay. Eighth one. It was raining heavily. Mother told Kavya and Sumana, Dash cannot go out to play right now. What is the mother telling Kavya and Sumana? You cannot go out to play right now. You have to wait until the rain stops, isn't it? So we should use the pronoun you. You cannot go out to play right now. Okay, children? Pause the video, complete it, then move on. C mean, circle the errors in the sentences. Then write the correct pronouns in the blanks. One has been done for you. First one. What happened? What happened, Beena and Anju? Why are we both crying? Is it correct, children? Why are we both crying? No, right? Anju and Beena are crying. So we should ask, why are you both crying? So they have circled the wrong pronoun in this sentence and they have written the correct one in the blank. Second one, Ali and Wasim are classmates. We are in class 1. So here we have to recognize the wrong pronoun used. Which is the wrong pronoun over here? We. Circle it. So what's the right pronoun to be used? They. Ali and Wasim are classmates. They are in class 1. Third one. Ria and I are dancing. They are having fun. Remember the I rule? I told you whenever the word I is used along with the other names, we need to use the pronoun we. So which is the wrong pronoun word used here? They. Circle they and write the correct pronoun we. We are having fun. Pause the video, complete it neatly. Okay. Next, Swati and Asha. Swati and Asha, why are both of they screaming? Stop it. What's this? It doesn't even sound nice. No, children, we can't even read the sentence properly if the pronoun used is wrong. Even if one word in the sentence is wrong, it looks so unfamiliar. Here, the fourth one, we'll try to read it again. Swati and Asha, why are both of they screaming? Stop it. Oh, that's really wrong. So what shall we write? First, we shall identify the pronoun that has been used wrongly in this sentence. Here it is they. Circle the word they. What is the right one? Swati and Asha. What should we write? Why are you? Why are both of you screaming? It's you over here. You are asking them question. So it has to be why are both of you screaming? Stop it. That is what we have to write. Okay, understood children? Now fifth one. Sam and I are studying. You have an exam tomorrow. The wrong word used is you. Again the I rule. Whenever we have the word I along with the other names, what should we write? We. So we'll write the word we. Sunita and Suraj, can we help me? It sounds funny, right? Sunita and Suraj, can we help me? How is it possible? Can you help me? So circle the word we, write the correct pronoun. It's you. Got it, children? I'm sure you must be clear with the concept of pronoun. We have done lots and lots of exercise both in, in course book, workbook and also grammar book. D main. Fill in the blanks in each set of sentences with we, you or they. The first set has been done for you. Arun and Rani are classmates. They go to the same school. They also play together. Second one. There is a supermarket near our house. Dash go there often. What should we write, children? We go there often. Dash buy all our groceries from there. We buy groceries from there. So what is a grocery? It's a supermarket where we get all food items. Understood? Next, third one. Rohan and I are going to Mala's birthday party. Dash will be there by 5. Again the I rule over here. I and Rohan. So we use pronoun we. Are Dash going to party too? You are asking the other person. So are you going to the party too? Got it? This will complete our exercises on pronouns. That's it for today. See you in next class. Jai Gurudev.